2 times for the birthday chick. 3 times for the birthday chick. What's up, y'all? So it is Sunday and we have a blizzard going on, and I'm actually out here. I had to stop at the beauty supply store. My daughter's about to get her hair done, so, and I had to get some groceries for us. I'm about to make some tacos. But y'all, hopefully this is the end of winter, because usually in Green Bay it'll go out with one big bang with all this snow and a snowstorm, and then, man, spring, or jump right to summer. I'm always happy in a good mood when it's sunny and beautiful out. I just got off work. I stopped at the post office. Now I have to go to Dollar Tree and get my daughter some balloons. It is her 13th birthday tomorrow, and kind of sad. Happy, sad, bittersweet. My big baby. So I'm gonna vlog that. Y'all are gonna come with me, come with us. Tomorrow I'll take her out to dinner, give her some cash, and then she still needs to decide what she wants to actually do for her birthday, whether it's go out of town, or she wants a new bedroom set. So we'll see. We shall see. And the other couple gifts she wanted, I have to order. Yeah, let me get going. Oh, you're bogus. I was sitting here looking like a bird, the back of my hair sticking out, and y'all didn't say nothing. What type of friend is you? I'm gonna remember that. I'm gonna remember that. Thank God, at least I ain't have a booger in my nose. Y'all would have had me looking super crazy. That's all right. That's okay. Because the next time I catch you with a booger in your nose, Charlie. No. But the next time I catch you with a booger in your nose, you better pray to God you don't be with me, because I'm sure gonna let it sit there. Alright, y'all, it is now going on about like 4 o'clock. I just picked CJ up after school, and Sapphire's already in the house. I already blew up some of her balloons.
It's her birthday tomorrow.
Now I'm going to sign her card. CJ's going to sign it, and I'm going to surprise her, because she actually thinks she wasn't getting any money or anything, because I told her I had to wait till I got paid or something, like some excuse. So I'm just going to surprise her with some of her stuff now.
I look further.
I. Ma, get out here and come clean this up.
Yeah, come clean this up. Clean this up, Mommy. Clean what up, Mommy?
Over by the couch. Get that, grab them clothes up.
close up.
I don't have nothing to clean. Thank you. Happy birthday! You guys are. Oh, it's money.
Yeah, you got money.
Box full of money.
I thought it was their chain.
Oh no, that's on order.
Chocolate.
That's just your
And a
balloon.
card. And you got getting something for me and for me at school. I root this.
She's getting emotional. Cut the camera off.
Yeah,
Just
right.
kidding. Then a tear falls out her eye. You're sticky. Watch out. He almost ruined it. Steady. I'm gonna tell her. Fire, you got some chocolate.
I know. I was like, okay.
I got the frog, and we're by each other. See? We're by each other.
And then we're just gonna go to dinner. She's about to leave and go get her hair done.
See?
I had to give her stuff today.
What's that say?
Love. What?
That's what CJ had wrote.
Love, fire, best sister.
Yeah.
What did mommy write? See?
So we had to give. I had to give her stuff today.
I'm right
Some of
here,
her stuff today.
'cause I got the frog and you
Because she's
got
getting her hair done, and then in the morning, I want to be able to see her reaction before she went to school. So, were you surprised, you little wank?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, happy birthday, you big baby. Here before, turn to the side, and this is after. Ooh la la. 2 times for the birthday chick. 3 times for the birthday chick. This nerd bird's playing the game. But, alright y'all, so this is going to be the end of the vlog. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give us a big fat like. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And we love you, and we'll see you next time.